G'day and welcome back. So today I have a package from my favourite place in the UK to get old Scalextric parts, and that's Greenhills Garages. So Martyn at Greenhills Garages has been, garages, whatever you want to call it, has been there for a heap of old stock car parts for me over the years, and hopefully, yes, that should be exactly what I need for that Cooper. That's the screw for the rear of the body. So we'll check that out. A couple of Reproduction Aston Martin wheels. Can't get any genuine ones, so repos will have to do. Better than nothing. And this is for something else that I'll show you in a later video. So some people might be able to guess what it is. It's a windscreen. That's one thing. But anyway, there'll be some follow-up videos. I'll see you then.